guys, I welcome you to my channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to edit 3D text in Adobe Photoshop, right? Or as some say 3D mockup in Adobe Photoshop. Now this video is not a tutorial on how to create, but rather how to download and then edit 3D text in Adobe Photoshop. So just stick around as I walk through the video. Now first, let's check out this website. It's called freepik.com, right? Now this is the interface of the website. This is the interface of the website. Right now you can download a whole lot of mockups from this website. So let's check out this. Search for 3D text, right? That's what we want to download. And then click on the search. Right, let's see. Right now you will see that we have a whole lot of 3D, right? You can also filter out and then select PSD, right? That's what we want. We want the PSD file. Now you should know that some of these files are paid and some are free, so you can also filter out and get the free ones to download for your work. Okay, right now let's go to filters and then look for free and the license and then click on it. Right now we have all the free 3D text mockups, right? We have all the free ones. Okay, so you can just download any of them and use it for your work. Now let's check out this one. Click on it. Good. Right, we are going to download this and then use it for our work. Right now go to click on this guy here and then click on download zip, right? And then your download will just start automatically, right? Great, so our download is done. We've downloaded the PSD zip file, right? The WinRAR. Okay, so let's check it out. Let's double click to open it, and then you are going to see two files here. You see the PSD file and then the JPEG file. So double click on the PSD file to open it in your Photoshop. Now this is the PSD file opened in Adobe Photoshop. Good. So from here, just double click on the first layer, right? That's that thing. Then just double click on it. Good. And then we have the 2D form, right? So double click on the text to input your own text, and then click on this guy here, and then click on this guy too, and then select yes, right? Don't click no, click on yes, and then you are going to get your text converted into 3D just like that, right? Let's try it again. Okay, let's try it again. Change the text. Okay, click on this guy, click here, click on yes. Just wait for a few minutes and then you are going to get your work like that. Now let's try out a different PSD file, right? I also downloaded it from the same website. So just double click on this guy. Okay, and then now when you get a message like this, it means that the font used is not on your PC. So just click on replace, add your text. Okay, just add your text and then change the font to any font that you have on your PC. Okay, just like that. Good. And then click on this guy, click on this guy too, click on yes, and then you are going to have your text just like that. Okay, so now you can save this as a PSD file and then use it for your work. Thank you for watching the video.